Sheesh.
for the manual swap.
That her finna be stupid. You got the shifter too?
No, not that. I need to buy the trans, but I still.
That her finna be
I'm not even in a
fire.
rush. Look at the front end.
Yeah. I mean, the body in general is good
Yeah,
though.
low key, I don't know. I feel like the trans is starting to go out too.
Like the
When
door
I drove
closes straight.
drove it home-
The cooling too. Well, actually, kind of a good amount, like continuously.
Yeah,
Yeah, it never heated up when I was with you.
that's what I'm saying.
The temp was fine the whole way.
That hoe was, I mean, it seemed straight, but I don't know. It felt, unless I'm just used to driving the legs. I don't know.
Damn, the wheel in this joint.
Dude, I've been
That got water.
God.
Oh, that's not water. That's not water.
God damn. Yeah, I gotta get you a new one, bro. We go to 7-Eleven. I was wondering. This bitch turns on though. I just need to jump it.
That's fire. It's so like
That shit's
new in
clean.
here, them all spec.
But yeah, I got new headlights.
Old school.
I even got new fog lights. Oh, I got the spinners in here too. I forgot.
That's fine.
That's a new.
I'm surprised you don't got them on.
Nah, they only fit on the stock. So.
Oh,
I got replacement bearings.
that's why I'm lucky not.
Oh yeah, for the each spinner, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, at the house, right? In the little
Yeah.
like tube.
Yeah.
I seen those. Yeah, bro. I was trying to find some spinners for the Civic, bro. I was like, hell no, them hoes are impossible, bro.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not too mad.
We'll see. If I drop a like, I'll turn on the bitch right now.
That hoe finna be loud. I want to hear it though. You want?
I turn it on probably, and I literally just gotta put the jump pack on it. It's from like 2020, bro. That was old.
Yeah, hoe finna blow up.
Cat fucking shoot on it.
It looks like the same one that Dad had.
But like, the bitches turn tint, look.
Oh shit!
And then in the light, they turn to like regular glasses.
That's
Literally, when
fire.
you just took them out, they were clear.
Mhm.
As soon as they fucking, that's fire.
Go ahead and comment down below if this hoe's gonna be good or not, cause I'm gonna insert a clip right here. That did not sound good.
Wait till I hear that clip.
To her brother-in-law, but bro said he thinks it's spark plugs. That don't sound like spark plugs to me. We better find out.
That hoe finna.
What year is this?
2000?
2000.
That was finna sound like robots. Fucking boy. Butt naked. Let me grab my jump pack real quick.
Yeah, and it looks so good, bro. That shit's crazy.
But I had like 3 different types of drinks already. Well, the other one don't count. That whole guy.
You got the Lexus.
Yup, or that.
Alright, let's see how this whole sounds.
Hey, get the rope. Hold on, let him record. I don't think that's spark plugs, chat.
That's rod knock, brother.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to reverse it.
Yeah, for real.
You got the jump pack still plugged in. Oh, that's so bad, bro.
Man, look at, bro, it smells fuck.
I'm surprised it's still alive. I'm not gonna lie.
God damn.
Oh my god, it does. It got worse.
Can you able to open the door? Holy shit, the house smells.
Bro, I saw him say it smelled like ass. Right there is perfect. Don't move the wheel. You're gonna run that up.
Golly, dude.
I gotta get the confirmation.
That was...
Oh my god, dude.
Bro,
Smell that,
that would smell like shit.
Yeah, that was...
God, it smells baby. God.
I don't know, bro.
Nah, I think it's probably just that smell.
Nah.
Yeah, nah, bro. As soon as I heard it over video, dude, that shit is... I hate to be a bitch, but this motor is... It's gone. on.
Bro, no. That it's a good ass. Oh fuck,
Smoke out the back, and then you can smell it.
bro. Oh yeah, the throw it
Guys,
away.
you smell this?
Throw that shit away.
You good? Keep going. I'm holding it up. You good? That should actually work. Holding it up.
Yeah, because I would have buckled it right there.
Guys. Let's get started, I guess.
Honestly, it's the angle, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Let my wheel turn.
Alright. This shit is cooked, but damn, it wasn't leak fuck ton of coolant. I didn't even think about that.
That's what it sounds like. We need to get something so that way they don't.
Or you think I have to open the cockpit at the bottom and just let it drain into that bucket?
I would do that. You can Why you drive up on some blocks?
I think people, they take out this manifold too, and they take it off to carry it out more, but I feel like we don't even need to take that off.
I mean,
We have so much room, but
Yeah.
maybe just take the hood off. And
to be
put it on
honest,
top of
take
hood
the
off.
hood. Now we don't have to do all of that.
And then
Either way, it works.
just unplug the harness. That box.
Big ass, literally.
Sock flying saucer.
Steel box for what?
Big ass box. Take this ground on.
A lot like lean the weight on.
Oh shit!
Yeah, it would have to be linked like that. 'Cause if I let it go, it says like this.
Was that high?
Get it out of there. It's because it keeps. I'm gonna try and jack it.
Alright, chat. We're basically draining the coolant, and we're gonna start ripping that off. Hopefully, remember everything goes. If not, no es mi carro, no es tuyo, no es de ella.
Blood to my lips, blood on my hip, rocks in my sock, pocket full of chips, watching for the pigs, splitting haters wigs, that can be some rib, player can you dig? Blood to my lips, blood on my hip, rocks in my sock, pocket full of chips, watching for the pigs, splitting haters wigs.
Give it a couple more times.
Alabama is back in the home.
Thermostat housing all back there. Oh shit.
I didn't think that was gonna happen.
Me
but-
neither, bro. Let me put y'all back, Chad. That was not supposed to happen.
I didn't know that much cold was gonna come out.
Me neither, bro. It's not like you left the water hose on. The good thing though is like it's cooling, so we can like.
I just
The whole lot, chico.
Bro, look how the thing is. That's how it wasn't coming out.
No way.
I had fucking lock plate, bruh. So that was pretty fucking pointless.
And now we can now we can lift the leg here.
Baby.
Vamos allá, mi gente. There's a fucking connector I can't use the cock sucker. Is this one that you connect to the car?
You know what I thought about too? I was thinking about it. You should be there, man.
Hey, I wonder what that girl wants to do.
Bro,
I forgot about that. Golly.
honestly,
I mean, I already had told her too, though, she like
literally, that's less than a fucking meal.
and when we already deserved.
Look at the butterfly.
Oh, the yellow one?
Yeah, that was big.
But fucking, it made it seem like I was begging. Like, bro, I'm not begging.
Exactly, bro.
Because I was smashed.
Oh, yeah, broke that, huh?
I didn't mean to break it, but I broke it. I literally, it's because it was lagging. I was like, the fuck? And I went like that, literally like this, and it broke. It shattered.
Oh, weak.
I was like, bro. Break it, good. Yeah. Tricky is a glide.
That was it's resting on top of that, John.
You need to just drop this lower trunk, lower motor on, this motor on, the bolts, and then come out.
Yeah, the axle. Yeah, that's What section are we on? 17?
Alright, child, the fucking phone died, but this bitch is ready to come out. Oh, yo, you can see the gap right there. Right there. I'm connected on the charger, and otherwise I'll show you closer, but my shit's gonna die. This bitch got fucked on. Little 2-hour motor pool. I don't care if he can do it faster. I'm talking about us, bro. I didn't ask that for real. It's a little 4-banger. I know I could have got it out faster, but who gonna beat my ass?
And we were just taking our time with it.
Real shit, but this hoe's ready to get pulled, but I don't even have a fucking engine hoist. We're probably gonna go eat real quick, some tacos or whatever, bring y'all along, and see if we could buy an engine hoist today and get that hoe pulled out today. Regardless, she don't even got a new motor on the way, so you know we're waiting on her type shit.
The plan was just to start it. We ended up like this.
Oh man. But we got all the tools right here. Shout out Ain't Low, first of all. Shout out Ain't Low. Milwaukee, fuck with us. Hey, Harbor Freight, fuck with us. Hey, fuck with us. God. Got the whips right here, you hear me? Graveyard Mitsubishi, but that all gonna be next in the chopping block for real. But yeah, I fucking go get some food. Tap in with y'all after. Yeah. Let's get the camera ready.
This looks way better with that red.
Oh, baby, look, you got the can, you got that shit on. New lipski on, oh, baby. We parked up right now on the block.
Bro, I passed this spot so many times I ain't never get
We better go get some tacos though, my babu. Real shit. Hey, don't let that camera fool you, bro. That shit broken. Right there. And on this side, you can see it even fucking worse. The weld's broke. That shit broken on my mama, boy. But we better go get some tacos on, baby. Yeah, taco spot. They whipping it up back there and shit. Eesh, on the block. The name's that. 5. Oh, that is a name right here. Look. Pull up. Eesh.
Where do we open it?
No jodas.
Olvídate, pues.
Fíjate nomás.
That shit looks stupid, boy. On my mama. Hey, on my mama. Hey, shout out Taqueria. Baby. For real. Oh shit. Hey, they hooked it up. Frijoles Carros. Hey, come Pete, bruh. For real. This shit too fire. Hey, bro. Shout out T-Lady. For real, bruh. Blessed up. If y'all on the blocky, come Pete. The Shaved Ice plays. This bitch fire. How the hell hidden twin? Eesh.
Won't be disappointed. I'm
Eesh.
gonna do a stuffy, so this is what I needed.
Nah, for real. This whole fire
Even got
after
the bacon in there too.
after pulling a Rodnock motor. Yeah, that's gonna be fire, bro. Boasted up, boy. Your boy ain't even getting gas, boy. It's just hot as fuck. I wanna be in the shade. For real, boy. Finna get some drink. For real. At the little QT. But yeah, we finna get some Bevskis, boy. Real shit.
You already know what's about to go.
We already got the grub in the car. We about to get the drink for real.
But you could get the oyster one.
Shh, I don't know. What'd you get?
Got me some damn shit. Boom. They had acai, so I had
I
to
got
go.
tinfoil.
I don't know what the hell this is.
Got the twisted, finna get twisted, and you got the squirt. Back at the crib, got the food right here.
Already bit in it.
Lemon squeezer. A la verga.
Olvídate.
Yeah.
But yeah, these bitches finna slap. Cállate los hocico.
Fuck.
Verga.
Fuck, bro.
Verga.